Today unboxing is Era Car latest Suzuki Jimny with the awesome Liberty Walk G-Mini Works body kit. It gives the Suzuki Jimny a distinctive new look similar to a Mercedes-Benz G-Class. The outer box has the Liberty Walk watermark with the rising sun graphic. The Jimny is now reborn as the Suzuki G-Mini, and I'm very glad that Era Car is the very first maker to make this unique casting in 1:64 scale. Wow, very impressive. A great job done by Era Car. On close-up, it really looks like a Mercedes-Benz G-Class with all the accurate Liberty Walk body kit. You can see the distinctive transformation for the front bumper and also the grille. It also bears the Liberty Walk logo on the front and also the LB Performance on the car plate. Fabulous paint job with the arresting LBWK logo type on the body. Rear light is painted, but the spare wheels comes in rubber tire with also the LBWK branding. Very awesome and realistic details. I really like the front. It really looks like a Mercedes-Benz G-Class, but in a smaller scale. The bonnet also gets the Liberty Walk treatment that comes in carbon. Era Car really nails it, and this Jimny is now looking very unique with the Liberty Walk body kit. There's also a serial number on the rear, it's 0132. Similar opening hood just like the Jimny to show the detailed engine compartment. What makes this unique is the roof itself has a front and rear spoiler. Wheel set rolls perfect and this Jimny rolls fast. In conclusion, the Suzuki G-Mini is a very good call by Era Car, being one of the pioneer maker to produce the Jimny in 1:64 scale. They did it again, this time with the Liberty Walk body kit. More Era Car unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!